Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm the chairman of the International Science Nutrition Society and the founder and president of Rahm Thomas University. Today, I want to talk to you guys about a case study that was conducted by the International Science Nutrition Society. Having doctors all over the world, it's been important for us to look at different things from traditional to non-traditional treatments where we can really help patients. Today, I'm going to discuss peripheral neuropathy. And this is really important because this is a disease that is caused and causes significant damage to the actual nervous system. And the peripheral nervous system is very important to the overall body. So when you impact this system, it not only impacts that area, but the entire body all over. The signs of this have to do with numbness, sharpness, jabbing of pain, extreme sensitivity to even touch, and muscle weakness, and in severe cases, paralysis. This is a horrible disease. In this particular patient, this was a male that was 61 years old. The male did different things and experienced different things from pre-diabetics, hypertension, to a lot of degenerative disc diseases and herniations. I'm going to read a little bit about this to you all. He experienced long-term exposure to environmental toxins, so the different doctors and scientists involved started understanding that there probably were heavy metals and different environmental factors they needed to detox or clean out of this individual's body. Therefore, they put him on a proprietary blend that had to do with a silica, a vitamin C, and trace minerals that was made in a way to help the body naturally detox things out from the environment. He started with 10 drops 2 times a day. After administration of this blend, he noticed significant improvement in mental clarity, 90% improvement in neuropathic foot pain, and experienced improved quality of sleep and life. This was particularly important because this patient also used traditional medication, but by adding this adjunct nutritional supplement, he was able to resume life better to a normal state and increase quality of life.